Are you ready? Yes. That's fantastic. Thank you very much. My goodness. I welcome you all in this demonstrative exhibition. So here we have Master. He is coming actually from other state today. And I have told him my trainees are going to demonstrate a lot of things. So Master, what are you expecting today?
I am just going to check them how they are going to, represent their product and their project.
Really?
So I think they are just quite excited. Before a while, I was listening them. They are just shouting and
excuse
hooting.
me, I think they were excited by shouting only, right?
No, the excitement and the energy they were showing, it means they are just, they are able to speak and they are just going to represent very well after a while.
Are you sure?
Sure, yes.
I must be sure, you must not be
No,
sure.
after listening them, just I am sure.
Really?
Really, yeah.
So you will be, appreciating them after some time?
I will be appreciating if they are going to perform
That's
well.
fantastic. So let me tell you, this is called Ille team, right?
Ille, you have changed the name.
Of course, right?
Labru Jhabru.
Labru Jhabru was earlier, now Ille actually. And this is actually called Pille. Sorry, Prime. This is Prime and this is Ille, right?
Okay.
You want to start from this stream or you want to start from this stream?
Okay, no, we should start from Prime. So this name has been given Prime, so we have to go to the Prime first.
Really?
Really, yes.
So dear Prime people, are you ready? Yes. That's great. So I want to request you everybody, this is demonstration for explanation. Explain well so that Master could appreciate me as well. It is other thing that I am CEO of Well Talk Institution, but Master always motivates me to do something special. That is why I want everyone to make me feel proud today by speaking actually, right?
Yes.
So Master, please come on the stage here. We have to start from here. Mr. Bridges here we have. Please talk to him.
Good morning,
He's a
sir.
guest, you have to welcome
Good morning,
him, right?
yes, Mr. Bridges.
So, first of all, I want to say that I am honored and privileged to be a part of this demonstrative
I'm sorry,
exhibition.
let's
Sir,
go
sir,
to
sir,
other
please,
person, please.
Sir,
What
please.
is going
Sir,
on
I'm
here?
going,
I think
I'm going
they
to
are
just-
ille.
I'm
I
going
think we should
sir,
go to him.
Please, sir, please, sir.
Okay.
I'm going to promote my Well Talk Institute, which is a English institute.
Okay.
And really, in this modern time, everyone need English.
Okay.
If you want from zero to hero, really, this Well Talk Institute gonna better for you.
Okay.
And if you want to see yourself here in the society, and also if you want to see your child here in the society, definitely this Well Talk Institute gonna better for you.
I think it's buttering.
Okay.
Oh my God.
He's buttering.
No, I'm not buttering, sir. It's a reality, sir. It's a reality.
which institution you're talking
Yeah,
about?
I'm from Well Talk Institute, sir.
In front of us, who can compete as a class, right?
No, just let him, say something about this, then we will be
Sir,
talking.
we have so many options in this institute.
Okay, what all are
we have
there?
Thank you very much. We have so many people, sir.
Okay.
Right, let's go to the next person. Thank you very much, sir. All right, sir, please come here. So, in fact, here we have a boy. He has come from actually Switzerland, actually, right?
Switzerland.
Yeah,
Oh
he was living there. He's from India only, but he used to live there, and finally he came to attend our class. And please, you have to welcome.
Hi, yes, sir.
Yes. Where are you from, sir?
I am from Lucknow itself.
Yes, sir. So, as you know that I am the top seller of the stationery in this book, and this is the one of the best book which is written by Tony Robbins, and this is the collective thought of the Tony Robbins. You know that? Are you from Lucknow?
Yeah, I am from.
One of the person who used to live in Lucknow, that name is Mr. Kev. And he was the dystopian society, and by reading this book, he
Okay.
achieved from zero to Jirant.
Oh, wow,
So
very
this
nice.
is the valuable. If I talk about productive thing, is this book. So it is not be weightable and it is not be vulnerable.
Oh.
And you know that Sudhanshu Trivedi,
Yeah.
in this India, it is considered that the mini Google. It is the mini Google, and they also used to read this book. So it is just kind of break the case. This used
Sir,
to
you
be-
are unable to explain, so how can I just believe you? You are just buttering here. No, you
sir,
are just
I'm
giving
not
the
buttering.
example of KF. So you have given the multiple persons
Sir,
example.
they have got success because of this book.
What is the name of this book?
This book is Master Your Motivation.
Okay,
Yes.
so master your motivation.
Yes. And because of
It's
motivation.
not written by, Robin, right? You
Yes,
can
it-
see that.
Sir,
Mira, see.
collective, it is written by that
I'm
person,
sorry,
but this is the
but-
collective
no,
thought
it's
of the
fine.
Tony Robbins.
Please, Master, come here.
All right, thank you very much, sir. We will be taking.
I'm coming to you, sir. Yes. Meet this guy. He's husband of, Mamata Banerjee.
Oh, of course. Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I am seller biryani.
Ah,
Do you-
biryani.
Do you want to biryani?
Yes, I want to have biryani. Where is that?
Dear waiter, please bring biryani.
Oh,
No, sir. Just wait.
My God! What about?
Please, sir, you can taste it. This biryani is very famous, sir. It's
who has
biryani-
made it? Who has made it?
I made it, sir. It's our shop, sir.
What is that, man? What is that?
What is going
I
on
think-
here?
Biryani is there, sir.
Oh, no problem.
It's our shop, very famous,
No,
sir.
there's no biryani.
Yes.
There is biryani.
Yes.
Master, you should. You are a guest, actually.
Exactly. Let me see.
Sir, our shop, many people come for eating biryani, sir. Also, Virat Kohli and
Oh!
you can taste.
Wait, Master, let me check first. Oh, it's a non-veg.
Yes, it's
I'm
non-veg.
so, oh my God, Ram Ram.
It is non-veg biryani.
Yes.
Hyderabadi, Muradabadi, and Lucknowi.
Mamta Banerjee comes for eating biryani, sir.
Okay, so let me check. Let me check first of all.
Of course,
My
sir.
goodness.
But sir, you can sit on chair, sir.
No, I can sit here. No problem. Oh my goodness, what is this, man?
What is this? Is masala, sir.
Oh,
My goodness. भाई मैं भी प्रैक्टिस कभी बात किया हूँ
Yes.
please provide me.
Hey, wait up.
All right. So,
Yes, of course.
Master, tell me honestly, how's the biryani? actually?
Do you want to this one, sir?
Oh, really? Tell me honestly, how's the biryani? No, I'm pure vegetarian. I'm sorry. I can't smell that. So, Master, please tell me honestly, how's that?
Let me check first of all. All right, no problem. Let me see. I think just wait only 1 minute more. Just I have to eat first of all. Then I will let you know.
Let me complete, sir.
Your lunch is done, actually. How lucky you are. Now.
It's so delicious. Really, it is delicious.
Yes, of
So who had made it, sir? Really?
Sir, I
tell.
made, sir.
I think you have purchased from somewhere.
No, sir. I
And you
made,
are just
sir.
you know
Really, I made,
representing
sir.
here.
I made, sir. Really, I made, sir.
Okay. So where is your kitchen?
This kitchen outside, sir.
Oh,
If
that-
only this.
What is the price of this? You know, this box. Just.
1,990 rupees.
Oh my goodness. Sir, please, I will not eat more than this. Please take it back.
You have to pay. You have to pay,
Sir,
sir.
sir.
You have to pay, sir. Why are you
Sir.
checking? But it is very delicious, sir.
So what is the price? Could you go again, please? What is the price?
1,990 rupees.
Oh, approx 2,000 rupees.
Oh, yes, sir.
I have to meet, you know, your Mamta Banerjee. She will be paying, sir. I don't have that much money.
It's biryani for rich people, famous people, sir.
Sir. What about these garib people?
You are not famous, sir.
I am not famous. I'm common person. And the same
I don't know.
same biryani we can purchase, you know, 50 rupees. Why are you
Master,
just?
why did you taste it first of all? Now this is used one. You have to pay. How much? 2,000 rupees. Sir, Master, you have to pay actually. Yes.
Actually, I have to talk first of all. What is the quality? The same biryani, sir, we can eat when you're outside.
other people as well.
Exactly.
It's biryani, no clear, sir.
No, what is the good quality of this biryani? I am just, you know, getting the same taste, the biryani we are eating from outside and from vendor, the same taste we are getting. So
Yeah.
why are you just selling so costly here?
But it's our biryani, very famous. Everybody
Sir,
comes
this
from another country, like Ronaldo comes for eating.
Ronaldo comes here.
Yes.
Can you show the proof, sir? How can I believe that?
As you can see my notice, sir.
Okay.
Notice
My
Okay, don't
photos
speak.
are here.
photos, sir.
Photos are here.
Oh,
What is
that's
here?
beautiful,
Ronaldo
that's
has
beautiful.
listed
Yes.
here. Okay,
And
thank you
also,
very much. By EMI we can pay actually, right? By EMI we can pay actually, right?
You should to pay, sir.
I will pay you. I'm coming back, right? Okay. You want to give it to people, you want to eat. But it is, you have eaten it.
Yes,
You should put that there, right? Come on. So the next person here we have, come on. What are you selling, brother? First of all, welcome the guests.
Good morning, sir. You are welcome my shop. My name is Mr. Open Singh. Now I'm selling this smartphone, and this smartphone has all the best feature. The security of Apple phone, the camera quality of the Samsung. This phone has the protection of Gorilla Glass, and also this phone
Gorilla Glass? Excuse me?
Gorilla Glass, yes, protection of. And this phone, sir, also we are providing in this
Samsung,
phone.
you are-
Sir, this is a OnePlus smartphone, sir.
OnePlus, oh.
Yes, sir. Sir, these are the
Sir,
features. Yes, sir,
Sir,
these are
in
the
this
features.
time, people are purchasing, 16 Pro Max, and people are waiting, of 17 Pro Max.
Sir, what I am telling you in this price, sir, you will have to pay only 9,999 rupees for this phone. And I am providing, sir, first listen me. I am providing all the good feature in this smartphone. This phone doesn't have the heating problem. It is providing the quality of the Samsung camera. Be implemented in it Sony camera, and one of the best cameras, sir. You can blog it. You can record your video.
Can you
And
show
sir,
the camera quality,
Sir,
sir?
I can show you camera quality as well as, sir. I will talk about this feature. We are providing 12 GB RAM, sir. This is the camera quality. Now you can see. Sir.
Am I coming or not?
Yes, sir, you will come. Definitely, you will come, sir. Look at this the camera quality. It is one of the finest cameras, sir.
Wow.
And sir, you can zoom it on 10x, sir. It is one of
No,
the
wait.
Sir, it is one camera.
Master, you know what? As you know, I got married before 1 month. And I selected my wife because of photo.
Oh, exactly.
This camera has cheated me. When I got married, when I saw her for the first time, she was the most black lady of my village. But in photos, she was so beautiful.
Because of the filter.
I don't want to buy this camera. Please, sir, don't buy this camera.
Services in
The filter is like,
You can also take online classes as well as you don't need to make your notebooks. You can get PDF and you can download in this smartphone.
Thank
By
you
using
very
this
much.
smartphone, You can, sir, read it. It is one of the special. In this price, you cannot get any smartphone.
My
Thank
goodness.
you very much, sir. Thank you very much. What is the price of this?
Sir, you will have to pay only 9,999 rupees.
It's fine.
Oh, it's fine, exactly.
But the camera quality is not okay. It's
Yeah.
cheating people.
Sir, no, it is good. Sir was using the Snapchat app. That's why I was
Oh,
watching that.
but I didn't do that. My wife has done that. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. We have so many people.
Sir, no, sir.
Master.
You must have purchased it, sir.
I would do that. It is a market, right? We have come to the store. It is demonstrative exhibition. We will buy it because we have taken biryani as well.
Thank you so much.
We will
You
buy
are
it.
welcome again and
Thank
again,
you very
my son.
much.
Thank
All
you
right, Master here. She's Shalu, right? So she's from a family of Lalu Prasad Yadav, and she looks like Lalu Prasad. You can see her, right? Welcome the guest.
Hello, sir. Good evening. Good afternoon. Vanakkam. Namaste. Pranam. Have you listened a song?
Which song you are talking about?
झुमका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार में. Sir,
Oh, you were just saying.
I have one of the most in UP Bihar. You know, Chhat Puja is very famous, and this is incomplete.
Okay.
UP Bihar. Likewise, women incomplete without it.
Oh.
Sir, do you have Fagunia, sir?
No, I don't have.
How
I
mean
am a
you
mother.
are, sir?
You can-
You have.
You can tell. I have sisters. I have mother, so I will. Be
You
there,
can
no problem,
give.
Yeah?
You can
Yeah,
give.
I can. Okay.
It is. It's cost only 30 rupees.
But it is just looking, very old.
No,
Why?
sir. Sir, you can.
Black?
one is cute.
Exactly.
No, sir.
I
It
think
not.
You are using.
No, sir.
Your Ami,
No,
your
sir.
Ami was
It-
using.
No, sir. No, sir.
Is it for me? It's for boys as well, right?
Sir, if you are purchasing for your sister and mother, your sister and mother, you can use short kurti, and as well as sari.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
So then she will be.
It will be work both of dress like western and short kurti and sari. So
But
you.
really, you have to tell. I think it is used. Are you just?
No, sir,
giving-
it is
I
not
think-
used, sir.
Do you give on the rent as well?
No, sir. No,
Exactly.
sir.
Just
No,
people
sir.
are using.
No,
Just
sir.
they are
Put
returning.
it on your nose, sorry, on your ear. Can you put it?
Yes, sir. I can.
Just want to do like this. We want to see it. Oh, it will take so much time.
No, sir.
All right, hurry up.
You can see.
You can't have Sheda or not?
Sir, I have. You can see when your
Oh.
sister and mother will be put on on her ear.
Okay.
So you can
It
see how
looks like
beautiful.
Chamgadar, Master.
No,
Yeah,
sir.
exactly.
It
Just,
does
you know,
not
making-
look like Chamgadar. Sir, you can, and you have to purchase, sir.
Right.
Okay. What is
for
the
your
price of
sister.
this?
Only 30 rupees, sir.
30 rupees.
Oh my goodness.
It is a very famous. Do you know?
So, Master, do one thing. You can take photo and show your sister, and after some time you can buy it, right? You be here, we are coming back,
Yes, sir.
okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine, Master, please come here. And what's going on here? What's this? What's this? This Tal Patram. Who has opened this shop? You are doing demonstrative exhibition of used sleeper?
No, sir, it is not.
Please, welcome the guest here for sleeper.
Welcome, sir. In my exhibition, I am here to demonstrate my footwear, Bata footwear.
Oh.
Yes, sir. And its quality is very put on to light and long lasting. And
Ma'am, it is Bata and it is
also Bata company, and it is also
the
Bata.
logo we cannot see here. Where is the logo of Bata?
Because I bring here only for demonstration. That's why.
Ma'am, I think you have purchased from footpath and now you are selling
No,
here.
sir, no, sir.
Exactly. No, we
sir,
can
it
see
is
here.
not footpath.
We can see here, you know, Bata.
Sir,
And where is the Kata here?
Sir,
Here we can see Kata.
See, this is the quality very comfortable, and it is the doctor's soul. sir.
Ma'am, you are changing that one.
Put on your
Ma'am,
feet.
the thing I'm asking you are not telling. You are just, you know, manipulating here.
No, sir,
I am
no, sir,
asking
no,
that,
sir, no,
you know,
sir.
I can believe that it is Bata brand, right?
I'm not manipulating, sir.
Like you are
See
showing
this
here.
Lady, see this lady,
Okay,
sir. See
okay.
this girl. She is also put on.
Ma'am, you are not
foot
listening.
Bata.
Ma'am, you should listen first of all. See, here we can see the Bata, right?
Yes, sir.
But here in this we can see only Kata.
No, sir. No.
Where is Bata? Exactly. So, you know, it is not, I think, worth...
Because, it is for, sir.
Master is not Lubhata.
Exactly, it is not the Bata. We have to go.
Please come here.
Okay.
Yeah, you should go to anybody. I don't know.
Hey, Mr. Shok, you can go ahead. Do you have any project and product?
I have a.
What is that?
Oh my God.
Is it alcohol?
Yeah, no.
Oh.
It's free from alcohol.
Oh.
It's from Arabian fragrance perfume
Okay.
from Dubai.
Okay, from Dubai.
When we smell this perfume, we nearest the nature.
Okay.
We feel nature,
Okay.
and we free our mind from this world's agitations.
Okay, I want to just, you know, see the
Yeah.
fragrance.
You can try. Only 1,000.
Guys, it is
Only
just, you know,
1,000.
it is just looking gutka and tobacco. Oh my goodness. What is that?
Buddha, ye sir is
Best.
it's
It is just looking, yeah, you know,
it's-
hookah.
सर इट्स खुसूसियत बुड्ढा लगाए जवान हो जाए और जिसकी शादी एंड दोज पर्सन हु इज नॉट मैरिड ही गेट मैरिड
Oh.
ही विल गेट मैरिड
After you...
Master, somebody will think the caps have pissed here. What is this, man? See, it is invisible. It is visible. It is visible. It is unbuyable. Master, please go away.
It is not worth buying.
It is looking like tabut.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. No problem. Thank you.
What did he say? Did you listen?
I didn't listen.
He said because of this piss, people can marry. Oh, how he is. Now go to the next person. No, it is smelling good, yeah.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Yeah. Next.
All right, I want to go to Mr. AB.
AB.
Yes, Mr. AB, sir.
Thank you. It is my product. Okay. And,
What is that? Pad?
No, sir. It is a product.
Product.
So it is a mobile phone. Okay. It is a real. It is a OnePlus mobile. If you can take this mobile now, you can do anything and you can search and okay. This is the AI camera also. You can search by the AI camera. You can get anything. Okay. And this is the battery life. If you 5.
What is the storage, sir? of this?
Storage that you 7,000. No, 7 ms. 7,000 ms. Okay.
Okay.
No. And the 8 GB RAM.
8 GB.
8 GB RAM. You can extend. You can expandable with the 12 GB RAM. Okay.
Like you are looking like a traveler.
Yes, sir. Just
Yes.
I have come here. You know,
Yeah, sir.
Arey, don't.
Sir, you will too tired, sir. So, sir, I think you will...
Listen to my.
No.
listen to- I am-
Please, sir, please,
Sir, I was looking.
You have to take rest, sir. You have to take rest.
Sir, please.
Sir,
You-
sir.
Sir, listen, sir. Listen.
I cannot see
Don't,
here.
yeah, you can.
Please, sir, please come down. Please come down, sir. Please come down.
Guys,
Listen.
Where
What do you want to buy, sir?
Sir,
What do you want to buy?
I have...
Sir, what do you buy?
He looks like sure actually.
No, sir. No, sir.
I think you have stolen from somewhere.
Also, you are
No,
so
sir.
tired, sir. You have to take
here.
Sir, he is misleading you. He can loot you. He noticed you about that you have so much money in your bag, sir.
Oh my goodness. No, actually he's selling earbuds, right? Exactly.
Listen, sir, you want to
It's
buy
good
this
for-
mobile, na?
Sir, I have this for you, sir.
No, sir.
He doesn't want to buy. He doesn't want to buy. If he doesn't want to buy, are you forcing? Why are you forcing?
Because I know, sir, you are traveler, and because you are journeying from very far away, so I have very beneficial for product for you, sir.
Very beneficial.
Product for you. Yeah, no, sir. I have product for you, sir. Sir,
This is very
expensive.
This is very.
I think I have to go. People are just, disturbing here. What is, sir, is it footpath and just showroom? I thought it is showroom. I have come here.
Because of your bag, sir. Sorry for interrupting. You have a lot of money in your bag. That's why.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm going.
Sir, sorry for interrupting, sir. Sorry for interrupting. Please have a seat. Sir, sorry for interrupting. Why are you coming here? Please go, yaar. Please go. Sir.
Sir, what is happening? You have called here. I was purchasing here. You have called and now he has come. What is,
Sir. So I called you, sir. Please have a seat, please. Please, sir.
sir, please, I'm sorry. I'm going. I don't have to purchase. I don't have to purchase anything. I'm sorry.
Why are you disturbing?
He's a guest actually, right?
Yeah, exactly.
You are lacking in English. I think you should join my institute.
Sir, where is your institute?
Sir, in this city, sir. In this
Sir,
city.
can you tell me the name?
Near Kapurthala Chowraha.
Sir, near Kapurthala.
misleading. You should purchase my smartphone.
People are,
You can picture it. Sir.
These people are berozgar people actually. They will keep on saying. Please come to the next person here. A person has come from Saudi Arabia, right? So he is gonna sell something. He's going to demonstrate. What are you going to do there?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How are you? I am Sams Tabrez Khan from Gazipur.
Kabristan, excuse me.
Gazipur. Sams Tabrez Khan. Shams Tabrez Khan.
You said Kabristan.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, no. Just kidding. Right?
What is your project, sir?
This my project is AC, sir.
Excuse me?
Okay.
You are using that AC, right?
Yes,
No,
using
no
this
problem.
line available in the store, new.
Oh, okay, you are showing
Still-
here. Okay, no
Okay.
problem, sir. Okay.
This is the best quality. This Lloyd company is the famous company.
Okay, Lloyd company.
Yes. This is.
I am just, listening first time this name. LG and,
Sir, best company
Samsung.
is Lloyd.
Okay.
Okay, sir. This is the feel. The blower is the compressor is the best quality. This blower best quality. This field air cooling. Okay. Sir.
Okay.
This.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, sir.
It is
The-
5-star and 2-star.
Yeah, 5-star and inverter system is available. Okay, power system in
I think inverter AC is not good.
Yes, good, sir. This is PCB not this was
Okay.
okay. This outdoor is the PCB is
I think
the
it will
compatible.
consume, more electricity. I will have to pay too much.
It's a
electricity.
5-star actually, right? Come on.
Exactly,
Yes.
So
So it is not worth buying, sir.
I mean,
good opening, yes, sir.
you should provide an AC where electricity bill comes less
Exactly.
Come,
consumer.
Julius.
Comes you. Excuse me, what is come here?
It is 5-star, right?
Yes.
It will consume.
It will consume, too much electricity.
Of
And
course.
we have to pay too much electricity bill. So
Exactly.
No,
Master,
no,
please.
no,
Okay,
no,
thank you very much.
Okay,
Thank you very
sir.
much.
Thank you, sir.
Master, come here. I just want to, please sit down here. I respect you a lot. Please come here, sit down. Guys, now everybody will be coming here and demonstrating his or her product from here. If Master likes, Master will keep on positioning as well. Next person, please, who wants to come and demonstrate the product?
Hi, yes, please.
How are you, sir?
I'm good. Tell me about you, sir.
Sir, I think you are traveling now.
Yes, exactly. I'm a traveler.
Sir, it's a benefit. It's all benefit.
Who's she?
Hey, firstly, stop. Why are you selling your product? Firstly, I'm selling your product. Why are you selling your product? Stop.
I'm sorry. Should I go, sir?
This is my
So people are just, shouting here. I cannot, be here.
First, sit down, sir. Please.
Virat Kohli and Shahrukh Khan.
First of all, make her go outside. First of all, make her go outside. Make her go outside. Sir, let her go outside. Why are you stopping her? Who's she?
Please. Sir, wait, sir.
I have a special product actually.
Okay.
Again, hello.
No, not disturbing.
Okay. Sir, what is happening? I'm sorry. I'm going, sir. I'm really sorry. No. People are just,
I'm telling
Give me 2 minutes.
Oh my God, where I have come here. I want to actually,
You will enjoy it, sir. You will love it. You will love it.
actually,
Sir, you can come here, sir.
Actually, just I need a mobile phone. Yes, you can. Yes, you are selling.
you can-
And don't let anyone be here.
Yes,
People
yes.
are disturbing us.
It's a beneficial in your life, sir. You can easily and you communicate in your family and your friends.
Sir, already I have phone. Why should I purchase your?
Sir, its phone is available with cheap price and it's a
Cheap? Oh, cheap product I cannot purchase. I'm sorry.
Welcome, sir. Come here, sir. Hello, sir.
Hi, yes, please.
Hello, sir. I'm Ramakant Zani, sir. And welcome to the Welltech shop.
Okay.
As you can see that, sir, I'm the seller of this chair.
Chair, okay.
Yes, sir. And this chair is...
Sir, is it chair and sofa? What is that?
No, sir. Actually, it's a beautiful chair.
Okay,
It's
okay.
really a beautiful chair. And it is really long lasting.
All right.
It's really long lasting. If you are a student, if you are a professional, then it's
But-
really useful for you.
Sir, it is very heavy. For the students, we cannot, carry anywhere.
No, sorry. You don't need to carry anywhere. You can study at your study room. If you are a professional, you can easily sit there. There will not be any kind of problem in your spine, in your back problem. It is really very helpful.
More impressive.
Obviously, sir.
All right,
So,
okay.
If you are a professional, if you're a student, then definitely you can sit here and study at 24 into 7 hours. It is really very
Sir,
helpful.
I am not a student here. I am already married person.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, yes, I need for my dining table.
For your
So
dining
can you show me that other
Obviously,
one?
sir, for your dining table, we have this chair as well, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, is it looking just office chair? It is just exactly. It is not for the dining. My dining table is just this much.
Obviously, if you are purchasing the dining table, sir, we have this chair actually.
Okay.
It will be very good for your dining table.
All right. So what is the quality of this? Can you explain about it?
Obviously, the quality is, sir, very good. It's really long lasting, and anyone can sit here, sir.
Okay.
Anyone can sit here like this. Anyone can sit here and have the food.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Really helpful. And the effort. And it's really affordable, sir, as well. And we have a discount as well, 30% discount.
Okay. What is the price, sir?
The price is 700 rupees.
700. Thank you very much, sir. I will be coming to you and I will be purchasing it. All right. Very nice.
Hello, sir.
Hi. Yes, please.
How are you, sir?
I'm quite well. And thank
Welcome to our Vivo zone, sir. So this is a Vivo phone, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. First of all, sir.
Why should I purchase, sir? Already there are many companies.
This phone is, sir, two multiple, sir. This phone is three multiple.
What is this?
I don't know, sir.
What is that, sir? I'm sorry, sir. I'm going.
Security, please come.
Sir, that is shopkeeper. I'm not shopkeeper. You can go there.
Security, please come.
Sir, thank you very much, sir. I will be coming. Sir, go. Shopkeeper is that person.
अल्लाह पे नाम पे दे दो
What are you doing, sir? I'm not getting you.
अल्लाह के नाम पे सर अल्लाह के नाम पे दे दो 1 रुपीस
What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Oh, save me. What is happening? Sir, I'm not getting you. What are you doing actually?
आई एम बेगर सर
You are a beggar person. Oh, you are begging alms here. Oh my goodness.
थैंक यू सर
Okay, welcome, sir. You also.
Please, you already have eaten biryani, sir.
I'm coming, sir. I'm coming. Sir, I'm coming.
Without pay,
Sir, I am not going.
This is India, sir. It is
So-
not possible, sir. You have to pay, sir.
I will be paying, sir.
Or I will.
Sir, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Please
Oh my
give
God.
me.
Don't touch it. Sir, he's just
उसको गिर भी रखे जाइए, sir.
You are a snatcher, I think, right?
Be patient.
Okay, just wait. Let him go.
I will call police, sir.
Sir, your biryani is putting there. You can take your biryani.
No, sir.
Sir,
you
I have
already
tasted
have
only.
eaten-
I have eaten only this much.
Already you have eaten.
I have eaten only this much.
So, sir,
What is the price of this much biryani?
Yes, sir. Why did not
Sir,
you?
tell me what is the price of this much of biryani?
1,990 rupees, sir.
Sir, this much I have eaten. Your all the biryani is putting there. You can go and
Why,
take.
sir? Why did not?
Please go there, otherwise
Sir, I didn't like that.
don't bother my customers. Okay, go there.